This is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and today we are decorating a St. Patrick's Day tier tray using supplies from the Dollar Tree and the Dollar Spot at Target. I wanted to do a rainbow theme, but also a pot of gold is always great. I'm just using this off the Dollar Tree wood beads at the end. I just attached some Jenga blocks with some hot glue on the back to make a standing sign, and that is a great way to get a tiny sign like this that's just the right scale for a tier tray. A little pot of gold with a glitter shamrock on the front. It's a nice contrast against all the rainbows we've been using on this tier tray. The next item I'm going to use is one of these. I got these at the Target Dollar Spot. Super cute. I love that they already have like shamrocks and gold in them. And so these are perfect for a tier tray. And so we're going to add, let's add the shamrocks on this side and we'll use the pot of gold here in just a minute. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, I picked up just a board sign in white and some of their little shamrocks like this. Since I was doing a rainbow theme, I was really glad to see they had a rainbow shamrock. So I'm just going to simply hot glue that to the front. So easy. It is a little bit of a taller sign, so that's not going to fill the entire thing. So I'll just add a word to it. I'll just use my paint pen and put Lucky on there with like a skinny Ray Dunn type font and an easy sign for a tier tray. It's nice and tall. I'm going to put it towards the back here on the top of my tier tray. For the next DIY, I picked up this cute little happy-go-lucky rainbow cup at Target Dollar Spot. I love it. I love collecting seasonal coffee cups like this. They're so fun for decorating tier trays and coffee bars. I just put some Dollar Tree floral foam inside and I'm using the Dollar Tree little shamrock greenery. I just cut that apart and add some moss to the top to cover up any of the foam. And we are going to do a greenery display for the tier tray. It's nice and tall. I love it. We can put this on the top. And I also wanted a rainbow theme, so I picked up this rainbow with the wood beads from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to make my own floral pick by removing it and attaching it to a Dollar Tree skewer with some hot glue. And I can have that sticking out at the top of the shamrocks here. Super cute and goes great with this rainbow theme. And I love that mug. How cute is that? We'll put that towards the top here. It's nice and tall, as you can see. And the next item I found at the Target Dollar Spot, just a little rainbow for $1. Love it. I'm going to put that on the top right here in the front. And then remember that pot of gold that we had? I'm going to add that to the tier tray as well, right over here with the rainbow. So the rainbow can lead to the pot of gold. I'm going to finish it off with a wood bead garland, and I found this great wood bead garland at Dollar Tree. It's perfect. It's rainbow colors. It's got a rainbow on the end. I really don't have to do anything to it. I'm just going to string this along the front here, like normally where I would put a garland, and maybe go through the coffee cup handle to help hold it on there and string it down to the second tier as well. For filler, I'm just going to use the gold coins, the plastic coins from Dollar Tree, and scatter those all over the tier tray wherever I kind of need something. This is how it turned out, my rainbow themed St. Patrick's Day tier tray. Hope you love it. If you would like more St. Patrick's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, you should check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting and happy St. Patrick's Day.